You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
So now let's start with lab number 40. So in lab number 40, I'll first navigate to my NETA ADDS01. Then I'll click on Tools, click on DNS. Now I'll be setting up conditional forwarders. The reason why I'm setting conditional forwarders is so that my DNS knows, okay, this IP address resolves to this particular server. And it makes my communication process a little bit easier, hopefully. So I open conditional forwarders, click on New Conditional Forwarder. And under this, so opposite domain name. So that would be netsoftacademy.com. And the IP address would be 172.16.10.20. 10.20, correct? And once I click this and I click on the white space here, you will see it will say attempting to resolve. I generally like to wait until it resolves to at least the name of the machine. That would either be NETA ADDS02 or NETA ADDS02.netsoftacademy.com or something else like that. As you can see here, this is what I wanted to see. NETA ADDS02. I click OK now. And once I'm done with this, I also make sure to edit the properties and ensure that you see this replication is not anywhere else. So I click edit again and I select this option. Store this conditional forwarder in Active Directory and replicate it as follows. And click on OK and apply. This is just so that any domain controller that I add after this, everywhere else the same information is available. Now, after this is done, you can either go for CMD or you can just type for CMD on the search bar here, open command prompt, and we are just going to verify connectivity, right? Ping 172.16.10.20. And you can see that network connectivity does exist, okay? Similarly, I'm also going to check for 172.16.10.40. That is our NETA Exchange 02, that server. All right, so this is done. Now I'm going to repeat this exact same process in reverse on NETA ADDS02. So going back to NETA ADDS02 here, click on Tools, DNS, expand NETA ADDS02, expand conditional forwarders, right click conditional forwarders, new conditional forwarder, NETA.local 172.16.10.10 and enter. Now this will resolve. I generally like waiting until this is resolved. Now this time I'm going to select this option right here, store this conditional forwarder in Active Directory. Click on OK. So that is done. Now, once it is created, I go to CMD on this server here. And I just ping. I just verify that my ping is working. So ping 17. Now let us say if I try ping NETA ADDS01.NETA.local. You see, it cannot ping that effectively here. Or maybe I got the name wrong. NETA ADDS01.NETA.local. See, it does do the same trick. The first time I just got the name wrong, but this indicates that I can ping my machine. So I'm going to try pinging NETA EXCH01.NETA.local. Now this will not give me any data because the machine is suspended. This Exchange 01 is suspended at the moment. So if I start it and it's connected, then you would be able to see it. Now remember, I suspended my machines earlier for the sake of saving some resources. So this indicates that, but it still converts the IP address here. You can see this. So this indicates that connectivity is working perfectly, and that is also the end of our lab here. So now we are going to finish off here. And in the next lab, we will be starting to install Exchange Server. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next lab.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.